If you get your health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, you should know that time is running out for you to sign up again. This also, of course, applies to someone in your family if you handle these matters for them. This Saturday is the deadline. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins is with us today and doing his part to help get people insured, particularly here in Dallas County, where we've got a real problem on our hands with the number of uninsured.
We do. About 1 in 5 of our folks here are uninsured. But the good news is that if you will go on healthcare.gov between now and Saturday, you can find plans. 8 in 10 of the people that go there can find a plan for less than $75 a month. That, you know, it's cost of a cell phone, cost of your television coverage, and you can get a great plan. If you don't have a plan and you end up going to the emergency room, there's no free health care really, because they will see you, but they'll send you a bill. If you don't pay it, it'll wreck your credit, and they'll get some money out of you. And in all likelihood, it'll be more money for one emergency room visit than you would have spent to have a great policy for your family.
And that really is a terrible cycle for so many people who end up not being covered, and they do have to go to the ER. They do start getting those bills. It does affect their credit. It affects other things in their lives.
Right.
And, you know, for people who might be sitting back and thinking, oh, thank goodness I'm not in that group, you're going to pay too if somebody's going through that, especially when you multiply that times perhaps 25% of the population here that's not covered, or 20%.
Sure. Yeah, you know, Parkland tax is your biggest county tax and your fastest growing tax, and each and every one of us that gets a medical procedure of any type here in North Texas or in Texas pays a hidden charge for that, or hidden tax for that, because Texas didn't accept their portion of the Medicaid dollars that would insure about 200,000. These are federal dollars that would insure about 200,000 of the people that live here in Dallas County.
Well, as you know, the ACA not very popular with the Trump administration,
Sure.
And we do know that the funding for letting people know that it's time to sign up has been slashed once again. How difficult is it to get the word out to people that this is coming up, it's a hard deadline, and here's how you need to do this?
Well, that's what we're doing now. You can go to healthcare.gov. For English, you can go to cuidadodesalud.gov. For Spanish, you can go to Community Council at 1341 West Mockingbird, Community Council of Dallas, and there are navigators there to help you, walk you through the process and get you signed up. You can go to the Parkland campus that we were in up until 3 years ago.
The old one, yeah.
Yeah, not the one that's now called Old Parkland, that's a beautiful office building, but the one that is directly across the street from New Parkland. That has navigators in it from 8 to 5 each day. And so don't delay, you know, sign up today, get the information today. You can go to those locations, or you can sit at home, you know, on your couch and do it all at healthcare.gov.
So just so you know, even though that advertising budget is not what it used to be, you may not have heard as much about it this time around. There are a lot of people out there who can help you answer those questions and get signed up if you are looking for coverage. Again, Saturday is the hard deadline if you need to find coverage. Judge, thanks for being on with us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to take a quick break.